Hello everyone. Um, I'm sure this has happened to everyone that works in this industry. A project will be in a shelf and then they bring it back to you. A project will be on a consultant and then the consultant leave the project and then other company inherited, your company inherited. My worst nightmare always was when I open a specific file and then I go to references, I see the references red. That's mean they somehow lost the connection. So what I had to do is I have to click on them and go manually try to find where those other files. Well, I got a way here for y'all. Instead of doing that manually, ProjectWise can do that. So what to do is let's go to tools and then scan references and link sets. And then after that, you click on next. Leave these two checked in, next. So here we're gonna add the documents, which is the DGNs that I want ProjectWise to go search for those files, where are they from, and bring them back to me in the same DGN. So I click on this. So let me go back. I did not click on a folder because I wanted the file. I clicked on the file. So now let's go to where the file is. For example, here. I know where the file is, so I'm just gonna go to them. So my files are already, most of them are, oh, not calculation, most of them are good. So I'm just gonna do this. Okay, I'm just gonna select this, whatever, any of them. So click on add and then let's do okay. So now you have the files. Let's do next. Here, select the application that a list of master file to be scanned. You could select just OpenRose Designer, which is Bentley product, or just do this. It doesn't matter. Let it check everything because it's gonna figure out. It's a DGN. It's not gonna go look in a PDF. But if somebody referenced the PDF in that DGN, it's gonna go look for it. So let's do next. So now it's gonna tell you where do you want to search. So if I clicked on a folder, this is where a little bit is tricky. So if I left it this the highest one, if I did okay, this is gonna take a long time. So let's delete that. Meaning a long time, if I clicked on aviation and left it, it's gonna go look inside all of these. But I don't want that. I know exactly where my files that are inherited are for, which is they are here in this folder. And you can go as deep as you want to, or just go up a little bit. So I'm just gonna go to the master, like up highest within my project itself. And let's just do okay. And then let's do next. Yes, enable this. Search subfolder for references. Yes, I do that too. And then everything else, just leave it as it is. Let's do next. Here, the proximity then priority, I usually leave it at this. Proximity then priority. So, but I don't think it matter. If not, just go back to them. And I don't know exactly what these mean, other than me understanding the English word of proximity and then priority. It's just proximity being it's anyway, I have no idea. Let's just leave them like that. So let's just do next, and then it's gonna tell you scan. So let's click on scan. It's pulling the files, and in ProjectWise is actually gonna open the files. I see it got them, and then after that it will scan them. Ta-da! See, I got 5 documents, and references in the 5 document resolve 43 references. So I had 43 references were read, and now, poop, it found them. It did that for me. And then let's just do close, and that's it. You are good to go. Go open your file, and you're gonna see all those red ones turn to a live reference that it's there. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.